Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn something very interesting, and it is a lot of interest of yours basically because I'm sure you all love to listen to stories, okay? But today we are going to learn how to write a story, okay? You can write a story on your on any pictures that are provided to you. That makes no difference, but the thing is, we should make it so interesting that the reader who is reading it should have it should catch his attention and he should read it completely, isn't it? So let's try to learn how to write stories, but interesting ones. Okay, so let's start, children. Now we have a story has few important parts. Elements means important parts. Okay, that is their characters. Then setting means the place or the location. Then third is the problem, or maybe the problem or the issue or the conflict, whatever it is. Then fourth is the climax, that means the ending. And fifth is the problem gets solved. It is not always, but some many a times it is so. And a lesson that you learn from it. Okay, so very importantly, what you have to do is you have to give names to the characters and the place where the story is taking place. Okay, then use a lot of adjectives to make it interesting. If there is a problem, if there is any issue, like maybe if we talk about the hare and the tortoise, that story everybody is aware of it, isn't it? Or let's take up that simple story, thirsty crow. Okay, so that in that story, what had happened, the crow saw the pot of water, but then the water level was very low in it, isn't it? So that is the problem in that story. And climax will be what, ending will be that with his clever brain he started putting more pebbles in it. Okay, and then he once the water level had come up, he drank water. Okay, so this was, and then we learn a lesson from that story, isn't it? That we should not lose hope, we should try our level best. Okay, so, and the setting is what, it's a jungle. It was a jungle, isn't it? Characters, only one character, there was a crow. Okay, so you can give the name to that crow also. Fine. Now let us take one example story. Okay, children. Now here we have, as I told you, typically story writing has five key elements. Characters. Okay, characters means the people or the animals or whosoever is there in the story. Then setting is the where the place it is or which area, whatever it is. Okay, then issue, problem and conflict, that I explained you just now. Then climax is the ending. And fifth step is problem gets solved. It may not always be the same, and you should also write about the lesson that you learn. You have a moral na, at the end. Okay, and one more very important thing which I forgot to mention over here is, children, that you should give a name to the story. Okay, one second. Okay, you should name the story. Okay, what is very important is you should name the story. You should give names to the characters and the place, and use lot of adjectives to make it interesting. Fine. Now let us see an example. Now, hints means this is an outline based story, children. Few words from the story will be provided, so that you can, maybe they are half sentences, and maybe you add little bit of mirch masala to it and make it more tasty and more interesting, and then you present the story. Okay, so these are the headlines of the sorry, not the headlines, the outlines of the story. Tortoise walking on the road is seen by a hare. Hare laughs at the tortoise for his slow speed. Bet means what? Shart lagana. Okay, bet for race. Tortoise moving with a slow speed. Hare moves fast but sleeps. Tortoise reaches winning point, wins the bet. Bet means shart. I again repeat. Okay. So these are the outlines. Can I just, it is nothing that you have to fill in the blanks over here and that is all. No, that is absolutely wrong way of writing a story. These are just the ideas that have been provided to us, and now we will create a story. Okay, I have already written the one, and then you have to do the next one from the worksheet. Okay. First of all, what is our main thing that you should, now we have read this, we have read these outlines, isn't it? So we understand what the basic story is. See children, initially you will go from easy to difficult. Okay, initially nobody will give you a difficult story to write. Basically, initially means from the beginning you will have a simple story, or maybe the stories that are known to you, maybe like the thirsty crow, the hare and the tortoise, or let's say the woodcutter and the axe. Such type of stories may be given. Okay, maybe somebody gives some other story also, but 99% the stories which are known to you, they will be given to you so that you can write. Okay, then what you have to do is, you have to, once you read the outlines, once you read these outline, then you understand what the story is little bit, then you give a name. Okay, here we have given tortoise and the hare. Maybe you give some other name, the race, you can give it like that also. Okay, so let's start reading the story children. Once a tortoise was walking on the road with his natural speed. A hare is what? It's a rabbit. Okay, wild rabbit. At first, he laughed at the slow speed of the tortoise. Then he commented, "What a slow speed!" The tortoise became sad and angry, but he did not lose his patience. It should be his patience, okay? He said to the hare, "Do you want to have a race with me?" The hare again laughed at this and said, "What do you say? A race with you? Quite surprising." Now, children, this is a little extra level, okay? But yes, we can try this level also. The tortoise smiled only and said nothing. The date and the time of the race was fixed. The old monkey was made the judge. On the day when the race was going to be held, both the hare and the tortoise gathered at the fixed place and time. The race started. The hare ran fast. The tortoise moved with his natural speed. After moving to a place, the hare stopped and looked back. "There is no trace of the tortoise. Let me have a rest for some time." Now, children, this type of things are called as conversation, okay? Dialogues. These type of things can also be added. Thought the hare and sat under a tree to take rest. Then he slept. The tortoise moved on, saw the hare sleeping and moved on to the winning point. When the hare got up, he saw the tortoise approaching the winning point. He ran fast, but alas, reach the he couldn't reach the place. Okay, so now typically I said story. Here in this story we have the five elements are characters: hare, tortoise, hare and the old monkey. Setting is what? Road. That means which place it is. Okay, then issue, problem. What is the problem over here? Tortoise has a slow speed and hare is very overconfident. Okay, he has lot of confidence, but that is little extra. Then climax, hare rested under a tree while tortoise kept on going. Problem gets solved. Okay, that is tortoise reached the winning point, and we learn a lesson, that is we should never give up and keep going or keep on trying. Okay.